In today's video, I'm going to teach you about division with exponents where the base is a variable. So we have a problem like this. It says simplify, express your answer as a single term using exponents. And here we have a variable t, and this one is to the power of 5, and this one is to the power of 3. So to divide powers with the same base, we subtract their exponents. So how would that look? It would look like this. Because this is division, we take t and then the exponent becomes 5 minus 3. So the base is the same, so we could do this subtraction here for the exponent. So then that just becomes t to the 2. So let's try a few more. So r to the 3 over r to the 27. Well, the base is the same, so we just subtract 3 minus 27. 3 minus 27 leaves us with r to the minus 25. Now just remember that anything to a negative exponent means 1 over that variable to that exponent positive, okay? So it just becomes a fraction. So r to the negative 25 is the same as 1 over r to the 25, okay? So I'll show you a couple more tricks. So an exponent to the power of 0 equals 1. So s to the 0 over s to the 1. So this equals 1. So we have 1 over s. Now we have another one. Oh, yes, but still we can do this by subtracting exponents. S 0 minus 1 is going to be the same as s minus 1, okay? So these are the same. S to the negative 1 is the same as 1 over s, okay? So now for this one, n to the 1 over n to the 0, we know that this equals 1. So let's put that in. N to the 1 over 1. So we're left with n. But we could still do the same thing by subtracting exponents. N to the 1 minus 0 leaves us with just n. Okay, those are all the tricks you need to know about dividing with exponents with a variable base. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch this video as well. Take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You can download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.